All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. So what we're going to do, we're going to do a little update of where we've been and what we've been doing. So we went ahead and we have bought some bumper parts. We have an 11 to 16 bumper right here. We have a hood over here, and we have a couple of fenders. So we're going to go ahead and get started sanding some of this stuff and see if we can get it ready for some paint. All right, so we got our whole front bumper sanded down, and we went ahead and put a couple little things of glazing putty over a couple little rock chips. So we're going to go ahead and sand those out now. So let's go ahead and get to work. All right, guys, so this is what we got going on. We have our hood prepped, ready for some sealer. We have this fender is prepped and ready for some sealer. We went over a couple spots on our bumper where some rock chips were. We gotta sand these down, get them ready. We got a couple spots that are ready. We'll go over with a little bit of primer. Same on the fender, it had one little rock chip in it. We have one little spot in the hood. We're going to go ahead and put a tiny, we went over it with some 180. We'll put a tiny bit of glazing putty in that. And we have one small dent on our fender that we went ahead and took care of. We just got to sand it out also with 180 and then go over it with 600. So let's go ahead and get that done, and then we'll show you when it's ready to be sealed. All right, so we got all our fenders laid out, hood and bumper. So we made us a paint booth. We have 3 fans that will be the exhaust fans. And then we just made some tarps and some clear plastic roof. So here's what we got. So we got our hood sitting over in this corner with our fender, the bumper, and our other fender. So let's go ahead and get some, we'll get some sealer on these first 2 parts, and we'll get some paint on these and some clear. Let's get going. All right, so we just got our hood sealed. Turned out pretty good. So we got our hood sealed, and we also got that red fender sealed. We went ahead and threw a little bit of sealer on the primer on this front bumper. That way it'll be ready for some paint. And we went ahead and touched up that one spot on the fender where we had that little dent. We went ahead and threw a little sealer on that also, and it turned out really good. So we're gonna let this cure for a little bit. We're gonna get some paint mixed up, and we're gonna get this sprayed down. Let's get to work. All right, so we've been getting some base coat down. We have finally got 3 coats of base coat on everything, and it is turning out pretty good so far. So we're about to lay some clear. Let's hope everything goes good with it, and we'll get us out of here. We've been pulling an all-nighter trying to get this thing done tonight. So there's a look at everything, how it's looking so far. Tell me what you guys think. Let's lay some clear down. Catch you later. We also haven't been really recording too much of this. We really don't want to ruin our camera. So let's go ahead and lay down that clear, and we'll give you guys an update when we get the clear laid down. All right, guys, we have finally got it taken care of. So check it out. So we got all our fenders, bumpers, and the hood taken care of, painted. Came out really well. We probably will have to buff it. There is a little bit of trash in it, as you can expect, painting in a shop with a makeshift booth. Came out pretty good though. So we will go ahead and wet sand this stuff and get it buffed out, and we'll catch you guys in the next video.